What's in a brand name? How does it make you feel? And how does it influence your perception of a product or service? A strong, catchy brand name can be a game changer in today's competitive business landscape. It's the first impression that your brand makes, and it can significantly impact your company's success. Crafting a brand name that resonates with your target audience and reflects your values might seem daunting. It's a common challenge faced by many, but it's a hurdle that can be overcome with a clear strategy and thoughtful consideration. When it comes to developing a brand name, there are key elements to keep in mind. Uniqueness, memorability, and alignment with your brand identity are crucial. The name you choose is essentially your brand's ambassador, so it's vital that it's distinctive, easy to remember, and encapsulates your brand's essence. Now it's time to delve into the step-by-step process and insider tips for creating a brand name that stands out from the crowd. This information will equip you with the tools needed to craft a brand name that not only leaves a lasting impression, but also paves the way for your brand's success. Firstly, brainstorm ideas. Jot down words and phrases that resonate with your brand's ethos. Don't limit yourself in this stage. Be creative and let your ideas flow. Secondly, conduct research. Look at successful brands within your industry for inspiration, but remember to keep your brand's uniqueness in mind. Avoid names that are too similar to existing brands. Thirdly, test your brand name. Seek feedback from others, but most importantly from your target audience. This can provide valuable insight into how well your brand name resonates with them. Lastly, secure your brand name. Check for trademark availability and secure a domain name. This step is crucial to protect your brand and its digital presence. In summary, a well-thought-out brand name can significantly enhance your brand's perception and success. It's more than just a name, it's your brand's identity. So, invest time and thought into crafting a name that truly embodies your brand. And that's a wrap for today's video. Remember, everyone has an opinion about brand names, so share your thoughts on your favorite brand names in the comments section. And if you're hungry for more personal branding insights, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.